Hundreds of new cases in this surge are being linked to the controversial right-wing SARANG jail church in Seoul. Deeply opposed to the Liberal government, it continued to pack in worshippers, promoting the conspiracy theory that the virus is a terror attack by North Korea against its members.
A member of our church said some hand sanitizer was delivered that smelled more like chemicals than alcohol. Now I see so many infections.
Flouting social distancing rules, church members, led by their pastor, Jun Kwang-hun, who has since tested positive for the virus, took part in this anti-government protest in mid-August. It resulted in clusters of new cases, including police officers sent to the rally, prompting this strong rebuke.
No religious freedom or freedom of assembly can be claimed if it means a great deal of harm to people.
Leaders of the SARANG jail church have been accused of obstructing public health workers, making the job of testing and tracing new cases of infection among church members that much harder. That echoes the first major outbreak of the virus back in February, centered on another church also involved in controversy. That was in the southeastern city of Daegu, at the Shincheonji Church of Jesus, whose leader has since been charged with obstruction. The outbreak led to church services being suspended.
It's sad that we can't hold a church service, but we don't want any further spread of the disease.
6 months on, churches like the one run by Pastor JEIL are still holding online services.
It's hard because it's important for churches to have congregations and having a meal together afterwards.
Financially, it's also difficult, given the reduction in individual donations, but they are hardships that the majority of churches accept.
The saddest thing is the friction between the government and some churches, which has led to all churches being criticised. There should be a message of hope. It's wrong to fight like this.
But some highly politicised churches seem happy to mix religion with anti-government rhetoric to fire up their followers. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Seoul.